Hi everyone. Today, in this follow-up video, I'll be showing you how to build an email list from scratch and how to automate your email marketing from your WordPress website. But before we proceed with the tutorial, let's listen to how the famous YouTuber Vanessa Lau perfectly explains the need to create a mailing list.
And the reason why having an email list is so important, and I mentioned it in this video right here, is that one day social media could easily shut down. And when that happens and you don't have an email list, that means that you will lose all contact with all of your followers, your customers, your clients, your audience, so on and so forth. Basically, if you don't have an email list and if you don't have a backup plan for when social media comes crumbling down one day, if that happens, then you basically risk losing it all. Even in my business, while I'm creating content and while I'm helping my clients, I'm still building my email list. To date in my business, I have over 15,000 people in my list. And that's why in today's video, I really want to teach you step by step how you can build an email list from scratch so that you can protect yourself and your business in case social media doesn't last forever.
My name is Nick, and I am on the team at WPGoPro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. Everything we are going to do today is done with 2 free plugins. So let's install them. Look for the word Fluent. The first plugin is Fluent Forms, and it's the first on the left column. Click to install and then activate. The second plugin is Fluent CRM. So, again, search for Fluent. It's the one in the middle. Click to install and then activate. Now we go to the Fluent CRM dashboard. We have to run this quick setup wizard. So click, let's go. In the business name field, I am typing in the club and Australia in the business full address. Then click Next. Now it's time to create a couple of lists in the CRM database for organizing the contacts. I named the first list Freebie, as in this list I am going to store the people who requested a freebie. The second list is just for my contacts. Click Next. Okay, in a similar way, I am now supposed to create a few tags for better segmentation of my contacts. My first tag is freebie registration and my second tag is freebie sent. You will see later the reason I am choosing those names. Click Next. Now click Complete Installation. We are done, so click here to return to the CRM dashboard. Click on Contacts. As expected, there are no contacts added yet in the database. From this drop-down menu on the top bar, you can click to see the lists we have added. Also, we can check the 2 tags. Freebie sent and freebie registration are both there. Now it's time to create a form. So from the left column, click on All Forms under the Fluent Forms section. Now, click on Add New Form. I am going to create a blank form, so click here. Okay, this is our form designer tool. In the left column, you can see all the available general fields. Grab the name fields and drop it on the form. Do the same with the email address field. We don't need any more fields for our form. However, there are a couple of things I would like to do before I go. Click on this little arrow on the right. Make the first name a required field. Also, the email address should be a required field. Finally, I am going to rename the Submit button to Register. Okay, done, so click to save the form. Now, let's go to the Form Settings tab on the top bar. The first thing to do is to modify the standard notification message. So I am changing it to, "Thank you for registering." You will get our PDF file in your mailbox in a few minutes. Click to save the settings. Let's go to Marketing and CRM Integrations. This is the place where the form can be integrated with our Fluent CRM. Click on Add New Integration and select Fluent CRM Integration. I am changing its name to Fluent CRM Integration Freebie. The CRM list I am going to store for all people submitting this form is Freebie. Now I am matching the form fields with the corresponding CRM fields. Also, all people submitting this form will be tagged as freebie registration. That's all with the integration, so click on Create Fluent CRM feed. Let's click on All Forms one more time to check our form. It's the blank one on the top, but let's give it a name so we know what we are talking about. So click on Edit. Now click here on the top. I am going to rename it Freebie Registration Form. Back to all forms, and everything looks better now. Here I am at my Google Drive. I have already uploaded a sample PDF file. I am going to get the link to this file. So click on it and then click on Share. Click on Get Link and make sure the option Anyone with the link is selected. Click on the Copy Link button and then Done. Back to the WordPress dashboard and to our form. Click to go to Form Settings. Click on the Email Notifications tab. Now click on Add Notification. I am going to create a notification for the website administrator so he knows when a new form is submitted. I name the notification Freebie Registration. This is the short code for the admin email. You normally get it pre-filled, so there is no need to make a note. Let's give a subject to our email. If you click on the 3 dots on the right, you get all the short codes. For example, the short code input.names in curly brackets provides the full name of the form submitter. In the body, I am going to use the all data short code. Also, the embed post.permalink which provides the form's permalink. Save the notification. Now I want to create a notification for the user which will provide him with the link to download the PDF file. Click the green button to duplicate the first notification. I am going to name it Send PDF. Click Select a field to get the user's email address. The subject is Download your PDF guide. In the body, I am typing the message you see on screen. Notice I am using the short code of his first name so the message is personalized. The word download should provide him with the link to download the PDF file. So I go back to my Google Drive to copy the link one more time, as I did previously. Now that I have the link, I am going to make the word download a hyperlink. Also, let's make it in bold characters to stand out. Save the notification. Now I am going back to all forms in order to copy the short code of the freebie form. Click here to copy it. It's time to create a page for this form. So, click on All Pages in the left column. Now click on Add New. Give it the name Freebie. Click the plus icon to add the short code block. Paste the form's short code inside it. Publish the page. Click to view the page. It is a simple page, but it will do the job for us. Now let's go back to Fluent CRM to check a few things. At first, as you see, there are no contacts. So, I am going to my pages to open up the freebie page. I am using Alex Polis, one of my testing accounts, to register. I got the confirmation message as expected. Well, so far, so good. Let's put his mailbox on the screen. The email just landed in the mailbox. I am clicking on Download, and the PDF file opens up in another tab in my browser. Back to the WordPress in the CRM dashboard. In my contacts, I have Alex Polis as an entry. In my forms, the freebie registration form has a new entry as you see. Now let's see how we could make an email automation. Under the Fluent CRM menu, click on Automations. Now click Create a new automation. Here there are different automations you could use, but the free version of the plugin allows only one, that new form submission. So let's select this one, then name it Freebie Request and click Continue. Here, I am choosing the freebie registration form. Now I am matching the form fields with the corresponding CRM fields. Click Save Settings. The first step of our automation is ready. Click the plus icon to add the second step. OK, from the available actions, I am choosing to apply tag. In this action, I am going to apply the tag freebie sent to the form submitter. Click Save Settings. Let's assume we want to wait 1 day and then send him an email with a special offer. So click the plus icon to add the third step. Choose the action Wait X days or hours. Change the wait time to 1 day and click Save. I am going to add one more step. So click the plus icon again. Now select the action Send Custom Email. I renamed the action to Send Promo Email. The subject is Get This Promo, and I am typing a short personalized message in the body. Click Save Settings. OK, we have completed our automation with 4 steps. The automation is in draft mode right now. You have to publish it in order to be active. But let's leave it in draft mode for now. Now, instead of waiting for 1 day, I can test it by going to the Send a Promo Email step. At the bottom, you see this red button that says Send a Test Email. Click on it. Again, I am using the Alex Polis testing account. Click Send. Back to Alex's mailbox. As you can see, he got the email as expected. Now let me show you something else. When the time schedule of the automation comes, the email is automatically sent by the system. You can check if it was sent here in All Emails. It is now empty because we only sent it as a test. But if you go here to Settings, and then Fluent SMTP in the email logs, you will see the email was sent. By the way, Fluent SMTP is the best free SMTP plugin for WordPress. I have already made a tutorial for that, and you can find the link here and in the description below. I hope you found this video useful as I showed you how to build an email list from scratch and how to automate your email marketing from your WordPress website. I used 2 plugins, Fluent CRM and Fluent Forms, in their free versions. Both plugins are extremely powerful, and their professional paid version, which is also very inexpensive, can provide you with significantly more flexibility in automating your marketing strategy. In case you want to purchase them, I will leave their links below. They are affiliate links, so if you purchase the plugins using the links, I may receive a small commission. However, there is no additional charge to you. This helps me continue to create the free content that I publish. If you liked this video and you don't want to miss my weekly videos related to WordPress and business online, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. My name is Nick, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.